5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 200, right hand crest. 200 right hand crest, 40, the 5 left, don't cut. And 4 right. And into 6, this is your 4 right, go. And 6 left over crest, line, 100. Into 6 left, 80. Go on away, 6 left, 80. Into fast 4 left, don't cut. Into 6 right. The 100, the fast 3 left, tight, opening. This is your 3 left. It's opening into 5 left over crest. 80 into 5 left over crest, 150. Care crest, fast 3 right, care crest, fast 3 right. So 3 right, 60. 60 into 5 right, 80. Into 6 left, 60, care. 5 left over crest, don't cut. And caution, very long, 5 left, tightening into 4 left. Tightening into 4 left at the wall. Only 40 to 3 right, slippy. 80 up the mid, push it, go. 80 up the mid to 4 left, don't cut, flat. 150. And care left on crest into 3 right down. Into 3 right down over crest, 3 right down over crest, 6 opening to 6 right. Opening 6 right and very long. 5 left continues to chicane right into 4 bales. And you have a 5 right over crest into bumps. And you have 500. And you have 5 left, don't lift. 5 left, don't lift. Into 200 down the mid. Don't lift. Keep it in, and you've a late 3 right over bridge, slippy, watch the tar. 60 into long 6 left over crest, jumps 100 into tight 4 right, push it, and 6 left and 4 right into slow 6 left into 3 left, don't cut at the rock, watch the rock.
That's it.
63 left, and you've 60 and 6 left over crest, bump 80 to slow 4 right into 3 left, slow 4 right into 3 left over crest, into short 2 right, don't cut, into 5 right, and 40 into caution, slow crest, 5 left tightening, or 5 left tightening into 3 left, slowing here, don't cut at the sign, don't cut, 40, then you have a short 3 right through the tunnel, 60, and you have a 2 left and a 6 right over crest, 40, and you have a short 2 left and a 2 right, short 2 left and a 2 right, and a 3 right, 60, and you have a 6 left, 40 to 5 left over crest, bump, only 40 to fast 2 left, only 40 to fast 2 left, and you have 100, and you have a 4 right over crest, bump, 4 right over crest, bump, and you have a 5 right, and you have 130, and you have a crest, 60 to 5 left, don't cut, 150, 5 left, don't cut, 160, 150, and you have a 5 left, only 60 to 2 left, don't cut at the sign, braking, match your braking, and you have 150, 5, yeah, and you have a 5 left, 3 right, 2 right at 100, you have a 4 left, carry, to 4 right, don't cut, and to 2 left, don't cut. Yeah, 2 left, don't cut, to 2 right, don't cut. Yeah, and you have a 2 right, don't cut. And you have a square left, don't cut, square left, don't cut. And you have a short 3 right, nips, short 3 right, nips, crest, this nips into 3 left, don't cut. And 4 right, 3 left, don't cut, and 4 right, and 4 right, and 80. And you have a slow 4 left, don't cut to square right. Watch this here now. 60. Into a 5 right, and a 3 left, and a 4 right, 3 left and a 4 right, and you have a fast 3 left, and a 5 right, fast left and a 5 right, to long fast 3 left, and you have 4 right, 80, and you have a 4 late 4 left over crest, into sudden 2 right, late 4 left over crest, to sudden 2 right, and 60, watch running water to 5 right, don't cut, to 5 left, and to 3 right, and you have 60 to fast 3 right, this is fast, and you have a 5 left, nips in to 80, into 3 left over gravel, and you have a 3 left over gravel, 40 to 4 left long, and to 3 left in at the sign, 4 left in at the sign, and you have a short 3 right, 100, lead 4 left over crest, don't cut, 60 into a short 2 right, Short 3 right here. In a 5 left over crest, and the 5 left over crest again into 3 right don't cut. The 3 right don't cut. And you have a 3 right again, 3 right again into 60, into slow 5 left must carry into 2 left. Watch this here now, slow 5 right must 2 left. The 5 right don't cut, into 6 left, into 100 up, into right on crest, flat, at the top it's flat, 6 left, flat, and a 6 left, into a 40, into a mid over crest, the 6 right, the 60 down, watch this, tight 4 left over crest, tight 4 left over crest, into 4 right, into 80, into fast 3 right, fast 3 right, fast 3 right, into 5 left 80, into 4 left, into 4 right, 4 left, into 4 right, 4 right, and go 6 left, 6 right, 130, to 5 left, 1 left, and a 5 right, 5 left, and a 5 right, 5 right here, and you have a fast 4 left over the bridge, actually here, 4 left over the bridge, and 80, to a very long 6 right, tightening into 5 right at the sign, tightening at the sign, and you have a 6 left, 100, and you have a 6 right into a long 5 left, 60, into a short 3 left, don't cut, John McCarthy, and keep flat 4 right, it's opening, 150, it's flat to the chicane, you have a very long 6 right over crest, don't cut.
You alright?
Yeah, keep going, yeah, this is flat to the chicane, 300 down to the chicane, right entry, 4 bales, 4 bales, watch your braking. You have a 5 right, and a long, the 5 right, the long, 5 left, and a 6 right, and a 5 left in, and a crest, 5 right, 5 left in, and a crest, 5 right, 40, to 6 left over crest, to 4 left at the post, the 4 left at the post, 5 right, and 4 left, and a 5 right, 60, left on crest, and a 4 right, left on crest, and a 4 right, 100, so 4 right, 100, you have a 5 left, opening to 6 left, 80, to 5 left, don't cut at the signs, 5 right, 5 left, don't cut at the signs, to 5 right, and 100, to long 5 left over crest, don't cut, and you have a very long 4 right, continues for 80, just watch this, continues for 80, and you have a slow on crest, short 3 left, 60, and you have a 3 left again, and a short 3 right, and a short 3 right, 100, go, 5 right, 150, into a turn square left, bail on the inside, one away, bail on the inside, caution, right, watch your braking, caution crest, and you have a 3 left, don't cut, 3 left, don't cut, 80, to 6 right, over crest, 60, into short 3 right, watch you have a short 3 right, and you have a late 3 right, and you have 5 left kink, it's late, and a 5 left kink, 5 right, 200, right on crest, and you have a slow 4 left in, you have a slow 4 left in, small crest into 3 left, so watch this here.
4 left in?
Yeah, and it's fighting into a 3 left, here, 130, and you have a 4 right flat, I have a crest, and you have a 5 left braking, only 60 to a 3 left in. Watch this, you have a 3 left in. And you have a short 2 right, 60, short 2 right. And you have a long 5 right over crest, 150, to gear left, gear 4 left, tightening to a 3 left. It's tightening
4 left, tightening to
3 left. Don't cut it to chevrons. And you have a 6 right, 100 down, 3 right, in and out, and a 6 left. 3 right, in and out, to 6 left, 150. 6 left, 150, to a long 6 left continues for 100, and it tightens into 5 left over crest, and you have a caution 3 right. You have a caution, you're now 3 right, 6 left, 80, and you have a flat crest, 150, flat crest 150, and you have a bump, long 4 right, 80, long 4 right, 80, and you have a 4 left into a long 5 right, 4 left into a long 5 right, into 4 left, into 4 left, go, 80 over finish.
Well done, boy.
Super.